Tackling welding projects requires a reliable welder. Here are a few tips on how to keep your MIG welder maintained.
Warning: read and follow all labels and the owner's manual. Welder maintenance to perform after every use. Turn off the power source when it's not in use and unplug the machine so there is no voltage on the plug. This protects the machine from power surges. Keep your welder covered when it's not in use. Uncover the machine when you are welding. This protects the unit from dust and debris. Turn off the shielding gas when the welder is not in use. Clean the nozzle with welding pliers and check the contact tip for debris. This helps keep them free of buildup, which promotes good shielding gas flow and coverage of the weld puddle. When not in use, loosely wrap the welding gun cable in 24-inch diameter loops. Don't wind the cable too tightly, otherwise you can kink the MIG gun liner. Keep an eye on the indoor storage temperature of your machine, as well as the operating temperature when using it. Keep the indoor storage temperature between -4 degrees and 131 degrees, and the operating temperature between 14 and 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Welder maintenance to perform monthly. Be sure to tighten the work clamp lead and gun cable to ensure a good connection for welding. Welder maintenance to perform every 3 months. Check the weld cables and gas hoses for any wear, cracks, or damage. Replace cables and hoses as needed. Clean and tighten the weld terminals. You can use any clean hand brush to remove debris. Use filtered compressed air to remove debris from the MIG gun liner. Welder maintenance to perform every 6 months. Use a vacuum or filtered compressed air to clean debris and dirt from the welder. Remove and clean the drive rolls to keep debris from entering the weld circuit. To do this, remove the drive rolls from the casting and brush them. Turn the welder on and use it. Regular use is best practice for the welder's components. Welder maintenance to perform as necessary. Keep an eye on the consumables, including contact tips, nozzles, diffusers, and liners. Replace them as needed when you notice wear. In high humidity environments, remove the filler metals from the wire feeder and MIG gun when the machine isn't in use. Store the filler metals in a cool, dry place. For more information, visit millerwelds.com/support.